Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that can pave the way to financial success. Learn stock market, a beginner's guide to building wealth. If you've ever been curious about investing in the stock market but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the fundamentals of the Indian stock market, share some valuable tips, and empower you to make informed investment decisions. So, let's dive in. Number 1. What is the Indian stock market? To begin our journey, let's understand the basics. The stock market is a platform where individuals and institutions can buy and sell shares of publicly listed companies. It's a marketplace where ownership in companies is traded, and it's a key avenue for potential wealth creation. Number 2. Why invest in stocks? Now that we know what the stock market is, let's discuss why investing in stocks can be a powerful way to build wealth. Stocks have historically outperformed many other investment options over the long term. They offer the potential for capital appreciation and can provide dividends, a portion of a company's profits distributed to shareholders. Number 3. Getting started steps to enter the market. If you're ready to dip your toes into the stock market, here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Education. Start by educating yourself. Understand key stock market terms like stocks, shares, dividends, and indices. 2. Research. Research different sectors and companies. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, growth potential, and a competitive edge. 3. Brokerage account. Open a brokerage account. This is where you'll execute your stock trades. Choose a reliable and user-friendly brokerage platform. 4. Demat account. You'll also need a Demat account to hold your shares electronically. 5. Investment plan. Develop a well-thought-out investment plan based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Number 4. Types of stocks and investment strategies. There are various types of stocks, such as blue-chip stocks, growth stocks, and value stocks. It's important to diversify your portfolio to manage risk. Additionally, consider investment strategies like long-term investing, day trading, and swing trading. Remember, each strategy has its pros and cons. Number 5. Understanding market indices. Market indices, such as the BSE Sensex and Nifty 50, track the performance of a group of stocks. These indices give you an overall idea of how the market is performing and help you gauge market trends. Number 6. Managing risks and emotions. Investing involves risks, and it's important to manage them. Avoid emotional decision-making and stick to your investment plan. Diversification, setting stop-loss orders, and continuously educating yourself are effective ways to mitigate risks. Number 7. Resources for learning and research. There's a plethora of resources available for learning and research, such as financial news, company reports, and online courses. Stay updated on market trends and economic indicators that impact stock prices. Number 8. Final thoughts. As we wrap up, remember that investing in the Indian stock market can be a rewarding journey, but it requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. By following the steps we've discussed and making well-informed decisions, you're on your way to building wealth over the long term. Thank you for joining us today for this comprehensive guide to the Indian stock market for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from your channel name. Until next time, happy investing!